Do you have a weird body shape? I certainly do. What is actually weird? Not fitting the standard sizing systems and therefore not fitting ready-made clothing or ready-sewing patterns? Let's change the narrative. We don't have weird body shapes. Clothing brands have weird sizing systems. Ready-sewing patterns have weird sizing systems. We are not perfect mannequins. We are living, breathing women, and we are all different. Clothes should be made to fit you, not the other way around. I was under the spell of media and this idea of normal bodies for a very long time, until the veil was lifted. I finally saw that it wasn't me who was the problem. It's the cookie cutter industry. I used to experiment with clothes design since I was a kid. Then I hit a period of teenage rebellion against the old-fashioned craft and became a slave to ready fashion, looking for an easier path. But there was a small problem with that. While any garment was available at an instant, very often would find myself sobbing in the changing rooms because it just would never fit. It either fits the top or the bottom, but never both at the same time. They don't seem to make clothes for my weird body shape. The vast majority of ready-made clothes are designed for women with rectangular body shapes. I have a pear-shaped body. You can't fit a pear into a square. Quite small boobs, defined waistline, and really big hips. I already had these hips at the age of 12. Even if I lose weight, I will still have proportionally larger hips. And it took me to my late 30s to realize there is nothing wrong with my body. I just don't fit the standards that are not designed to fit me anyway. Let me say this one more time. I don't fit the standards that are not designed to fit me in the first place. I got back to clothes making in my late 20s. I was pretty rusty and I had to practice more than ever to regain back my skill. I learned different pattern drafting techniques, developed my own methodology, and I just couldn't believe how normal my body suddenly felt. My body feels normal because clothes finally fit. And after finding the solution for myself, it became my biggest mission in life to spread the knowledge, to share the skill, to help more women with weird body shapes to feel great in their bodies. This is the true reason behind our online clothes making courses. We have one and only goal: to help women like you feel great in your body and do it right now. Not when you lose weight, not when you gain weight, not after you go to the gym. No, we want you to feel great in your body right now. To start practicing making clothes that will boost that self-esteem and confidence. We want you to feel great every single day. So if it sounds like you, then the warmest welcome to the Weird Body Club. I am Lisa Bennett, co-founder of Studio Arc de Four, designer, educator, and the president of the Weird Body Club. And the first rule of the Weird Body Club: tell everyone about the Weird Body Club.